Jai Hind. Before we jump into tax forms and tweaks, a small but sincere thought. In these testing times for our nation, when every contribution matters, the least we can do as citizens is to file our taxes well before the due date. It is a small way of supporting India, our country, our motherland, especially when it needs us the most. Now, back to the season's favorite game, Spot the Change in ITR. Today, let me make you walk through what's new in ITR-3 for assessment year 25-26. And trust me, these changes are not just cosmetic, they have real tax implications. First up, the big splitter. Capital gains are now to be reported in two neat categories: before 23rd of July 2024, on or after 23rd July 2024. So if you sold shares, property, or assets, remember the date will now decide the box they land in. Why? Simple. Tax calculations love clarity, and taxpayers, unfortunately, don't get to escape the paperwork. Change number two, capital loss on share buyback. This is something that will excite the equity lovers. From 1st October 2024, if you incur a loss on share buyback, you can finally claim it. But wait, there's a twist. Only if the corresponding dividend income is shown under income from other sources. Basically, no pain, no gain, and no reporting, no claiming. Change number three, raised limit for reporting of assets and liability. Till now, if your total income exceeded rupees 50 lakhs, you had to disclose your assets and liabilities. But CBDT has generously raised the bar. Now, this kicks in only if your income exceeds rupees 1 crore. So yes, the crore-patis will disclose, the lakpatis can relax. Change number 4, Section 44 BBC added. New player alert. Section 44 BBC is now in ITR-3. Who's this for? Cruise business operators. So, if you're running a cruise line and not just cruising through taxes, time to report under this section. Change number 5, more details for claims. Now, here's the detail that matters. When you claim deductions under Section 80C, 10, 13A, etc., be ready to provide more information. No way claims anymore because CBDT says more details, more transparency. Change number 6, reporting of TDS section code. Lastly, TDS reporting is becoming smarter. In the new ITR-3, you will have to report the TDS section code in Schedule TDS so the department knows exactly why TDS was deducted. Think of it like this: no more mystery deductions, everything needs a label now. So, there you have it. The ITR-3 for assessment year 25-26 is all about more disclosures, more clarity, and yes, more effort from your side. But don't worry, with me, you will cruise through. Pun intended. Hello, Section 44 BBC. I'm CA Pranav Goel, here to make taxes not just simple but a little more fun too. Like this breakdown, hit like, share with your finance buddies, and save this for when you actually file the return. Thank you.